When you get off Chair 1 or 4, the new chairlift installed in 2023, and you head down Tony Matt, you will see an intriguing sign indicating a run called 1,000 Turns off to your right and into some trees. For years, this run has intrigued me, but since I don't do many Black Diamond runs, it wasn't until I had a bit more insight from my daughter that I ventured onto it myself. As you can see, the run name literally describes what it takes to successfully maneuver this narrow track. Just keep moving along or you could easily cause a pileup here. Fortunately, we all made it through and had a pretty great time doing so. I'm Janet with Radiant Realty, your Montana realtor and broker. Thank you for joining me today. If you are looking to buy or sell a property or home here in Montana, please reach out. I would love to hear more about your needs. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and stay a while and don't be shy. I love reading your comments and answering any questions you might have. When you exit 1,000 Turns, you can continue straight down Big Ravine or veer to the right to head over to Chair 2 via interstate. If you would like a bit more adventure, pop down into Good Medicine or take Sandy's down to Woodlot. Today, we chose to head straight on down Big Ravine and over to Chair 1. Big Ravine is a leg burner, but a great run, and it has some beautiful views on a clear day. If you're feeling hungry, go ahead and stop into Hell Roaring Saloon for a giant plate of nachos or a flame-grilled burger. You can smell them often when you're skiing down the mountain, and they definitely call your name. Once finished, go ahead and catch another ride up Chair 1 or 2 and do it all over again. I hope you enjoyed today's Whitefish Mountain run. If you have a request or recommendation, please leave it in the comments below. Have an amazing week, and I'll see you next time.